Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Ridwan and today I'll be presenting on insects in rubber plantation and focusing especially on termites, a major pest in many tropical agricultural systems. Rubber plantation provide ideal conditions for many insects. While some insects help with pollination or soil health, others, especially pests like termites, can cause significant damage. Termites are social insects that live in large colonies and work together to gather food, mainly cellulose from wood. In rubber plantation, their feeding habits pose a serious threat, especially to young trees. Understanding their biology damage mechanism and control is key to managing a healthy plantation of rubber. Now we continue to the another slide. Pest termites or Odontothermes obesus. The primary termite species attacking rubber is Odontothermes obesus. These termites belong to the Isoptera order and are known for their efficient underground tunnel systems. As you know, they have a creamy white soft body with distinct. Guest workers, soldiers, and reproductive workers do most of the damage of feeding on wood and roots, while soldiers defend the colony using strong mandibles. Reproductive or alates are winged termites responsible for forming new colonies. You might notice shed wings near nest entrance after a swarming event. They construct mud tunnels to protect themselves from sunlight and predators while they forage. Let's see the damage caused by the termites, which is Odontothermes obesus, damage rubber trees by feeding on the bark and root system. Since they chew through live and dead plant matter, they often go unnoticed until damage becomes severe. This feeding causes the weakening of structural integrity of trees, interruption in water and nutrient flow, and then increase the susceptibility to wind throw or disease. Symptoms include drying of leaf and branch, mud tubes at the base, and a hollow sound when tapping the tree trunk, indicating internal wood decay. In severe infestation, whole trees may collapse or die, resulting in major yield loss. Now, let's see the location of termite activity. Termite activity is usually concentrated around the base of young rubber trees, especially within the first few years of planting the rubber. They build nests in underground chambers, decaying wood or stumps, and soil-rich organic matter. Entry usually happens at the soil to stem contact point, where termites climb up the tree through mud tunnels. This space often remains hidden, which is why early detection is so difficult. Monitoring should focus on areas with leftover logging material or old stumps, as they act as termite hotspot. Now let's see the time of activity. Termites are most active during the dry season, when the soil is dry and trees are stressed due to lack of moisture. These conditions make it easier for termites to invade the tree roots in search of water and food. They are also nocturnal insects, foraging mostly during the late afternoon and night to avoid the heat and predators. In infested zones, activity can be detected as early as 6 to 12 months after planting, especially if no preventative measures were taken. Regular inspection during these periods are crucial. Now, let's see the attracting condition. Termites thrive in moist, shaded, and undisturbed environments. Several factors increase their risk in rubber plantations, including poor drainage, presence of decaying wood or old stumps, organic debris around the base of trees, and thick mulch or unturned soil that stay wet for a long period. These conditions create the ideal microhabitat for nesting and reproduction. Ensuring proper land clearing and drainage before planting can reduce the chance of infestation. Now, we move to the mitigation and infestation. If not controlled, termites can spread quickly across entire plantation blocks, causing the large-scale damage. Mitigation methods include field sanitation, remove all stumps, dead roots, and woody debris before planting. Biological control, use beneficial fungi like Metarhizium anisopliae, which infects and kills termites naturally. Chemical control, apply the termiticides at the tree base during planting or replanting. And then regular monitoring, check for mud tunnels and maintain the optimal soil moisture to prevent ideal nesting conditions. And integrate pest management, IPM, approach the combining biological, cultural, and chemical method is the most effective strategy. Now, let's see the fun fact of termites. Termites have been around for 100 million years, even before the dinosaurs went extinct. They play a crucial role in natural ecosystems by breaking down the wood and returning nutrients to the soil. However, in rubber plantation, this beneficial role turns into a destructive one. Termites adapt quickly and form large colonies, making them one of the hardest pests to control once established. So, in conclusion, termites, especially Odontotermes obesus, are a serious threat in rubber plantations. They attack the bark and roots, build protective mud tunnels, and weaken trees from within. They are most active in the dry season and they prefer poorly maintained moist environments. Preventing termite damage requires good field hygiene, early monitoring, and integrated control methods, including biological agents and termiticides. By understanding their habits and managing the field properly, we can protect rubber trees and ensure better yield. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.